Says its forces have killed more than 20 militants in the west of Northwest near the Afghan border. The military says they were killed in airstrikes and ground operations in the North Waziristan tribal district. The offensive began Monday night and continued into Tuesday. It's not yet clear whether the victims were indeed militants. Rights activists say there's no transparency around the army offensives, as many civilians have fallen victim to the attacks in the past. Pakistan intensified its operations after the pro-Taliban militants attacked a school in the northwestern city of Peshawar and massacred more than 150 people, most of them children, in December 2014 rather. Press TV's Javed Rana joins us now from Islamabad. Javed, talk to us about the Pakistani Army's operations near the Afghan border. These operations have also been receiving a lot of criticism with the Army's transparency around these offensives.
For the last almost 2 years, Pakistan military has been in North Waziristan. It has conducted ground and air offensive in that part of Pakistan's mountainous region. This operation, despite Army's claim that it has killed around 3,700 militants, but on the ground we have no mechanism to verify these claims. There have been some disturbing reports from that part of Pakistan which suggest that there have been also collateral damages whereby many families were killed and none of the family members were survived. But again, this is a kind of situation where we cannot independently verify what is going there. But one thing seems to be very clear, and that is that the pattern now is that these militants have been sneaking out from Pakistani tribal region to inside Afghanistan, and they have saved sanctuaries there. Afghanistan ambassador to Pakistan has also admitted that Pakistani brand of Taliban, they are living in Afghanistan, the area that is not governed by Kabul. Now that is a core problem, and that has been the part of the problem for the Afghan government, that they have not been able to tackle those members of the militants who are running from Pakistani side of the border to the other side of the border. So that is why we have been seeing a lot of blame game. Pakistan and Afghanistan have been blaming each other that they are providing sanctuaries to the militants, which suits to their geostrategic interest. But I think in this bigger picture, I've been to that part of Pakistan's tribal region, the Shwal, where this current operation is going on. That is very thicky forest area. It's a long mountainous range, and it is quite difficult for the army to conduct ground operations. So therefore, they have been largely relying on airstrikes. And that is where the real problem is. Many fear that there have been collateral damages, but that is not being reported. But nonetheless, one has also to give credit to the army, which has managed to get rid of these militants. Again, the success is a very partial, and it will take a long time when Pakistan would be able to claim that they have got rid of militancy from this part of the world.
Thank you, Javed. Press TV's Javed Rana joining us from Islamabad. And with that, it brings us to an end here on this edition